Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by clarifying who you want to reach and what outcome matters most. This shapes every AI decision. Once done, choose a measurable objective like conversions or leads and set a KPI to optimize toward. Then gather your first-party assets, customer lists, event tags, and 90-day audiences, because AI models perform best with accurate inputs. Make sure to label data consistently and include negative examples. That prevents bad correlations and speeds up the next steps. Now you train and iterate. Craft prompts that specify tone, CTA, format, and audience so the AI generates usable ads. Use a control-to/B framework, for example 3 creatives, 2 headlines, and 2 audiences to isolate winners. Once done, automate variant creation to produce 10-20 versions and tag each with UTMs for reliable attribution. Make sure to run short tests, analyze CTR and CPA, and feed winning patterns back into your prompt templates to improve results. To finish, scale what works by increasing budget gradually and monitoring CPA and conversion quality so you avoid waste. Then refine targeting. Exclude underperforming segments, create lookalikes from high-value customers, and retarget recent engagers with tailored hooks. If performance drops, troubleshoot by simplifying prompts, relabeling noisy data, or reducing creative complexity to remove confounding signals. Make sure to document changes and use short experiments, because iterative control prevents large.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.